Hey streamers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download the free WpStream video streaming theme on your WordPress website. Keep in mind that with this theme, we have two ready to go demos, the main streaming demo and a gaming demo. And we also have upcoming demos coming up. So make sure you subscribe to our channel to keep up with all our updates. Some of the key theme features include video on demand, live events, pay-per-view, live chat, streaming for all, and we have a lot of categories and customizable features that you can add to your site to make this theme or your site your very own. So the first thing I'm doing is opening my fresh WordPress site. So here's a fresh install. I'm going back to the admin section, appearance, themes, and here I have the 2024 theme by default, and I want to add a new theme. And you can download the WpStream free theme from our website, and I'll leave the link down below so that you can go ahead and download it for yourself. I'm uploading it over here and clicking on Install Now. I will also activate the WpStream free theme. And here is the theme right over here. Now, we want to also install the recommended and required plugins, so make sure you go to that. And I highly recommend that you do this individually as each plugin will require a setup. So be sure to go through each one. I'm just skipping and fast forwarding for the sake of this video, but you must go through the whole setup process. Now, I'm going to WpStream credentials and I will log in. If you don't have an account on WpStream, make sure you go to our website, once again linked below, and register over here. Now I'm going back, entering my details, and here I am connected to WpStream on my website. Here is how the theme looks like on my website. I still don't have the demo, so I will be uploading more videos in the coming days or weeks. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye.